Hey traders, quick look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P, and the Nasdaq. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. Alright traders, so I'm doing a quick little update for you. I believe that this is the calm before the storm. This is the calm before the storm. This is not a top action or anything like that. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I believe right now, yes, we've been in this sort of channel, as you can see, this channel all the way up, and now we're sort of into this point through here. But I believe right now we had a big run up, a big pullback. We're just getting we're not getting any strong selling right now in the Dow Jones. So I believe we're likely to start seeing a nice rally back up and out of this as well too. And I believe we're likely to start seeing new highs coming soon. We're just getting a little bit of resting phase, and there's nothing wrong with this. The top's not in. I believe we're just getting a bit of resting phase. The FOMO money, fear of missing out, has not hit the market yet. So we're ready to, we're just having a little down, little sideways rest, and I believe this is going to happen for another week or two, and then I believe we're going to see another run, and maybe that's going to be the final spike to the high side. Same with the S&P 500. S&P 500, if I squeeze my chart up, once again, we just had a little run up, just a nice little pullback, nothing else. That's all it is. It's not a bear market. It's not a top action. It's not anything like that. All it really is just a nice little resting phase. Price and time. What is that? When the market goes for a big run, this is how the markets work. When the market goes for a big run, they're due for a pullback, resting phase, sideways movement. So a little pullback, little sideways movement, and I believe we're likely to start seeing, after a bit of resting phase where they refuel that engine, I believe we're likely to start seeing a movement to the high side with that, and the same for the Nasdaq as well. So we look at the Nasdaq, you can see the Nasdaq had a run up, little pullback, and I believe, again, maybe if we do get even a bit more of a pullback on the Nasdaq and the indices, that'll be fine. 50% pullback is just naturally fine with the big booming market. And then I believe we're likely to make new highs again, leading in for the first half of this year. So what do you guys think that's happening right now, looking at the markets? For me, if I look at, say, like the IWM, the Russell 2000 stocks, just a nice little pullback. I believe, again, we're likely to start to see another rally to the high side. And what's happened right now is the VIX has actually had a little bit of a pullback as well. So transportation average, again, just a nice little pullback. There's nothing wrong with this, like we've been going up for so long. Like this one here went up, this one here in 2 months to the high side. So surely we can spend a good, month going down, 16 days or 20 to a month going down. It's just a natural flow of the markets and how they work. So the question for you guys today is, what do you think is going to happen with the indices? Do you think, now this is the indices, forget, it's had nothing to do with the stocks, but what do you think that's going to happen with the indices? Do you think what I'm saying right now is true? And do you think we're going to rally to new highs? Or do you think the top's in? I'm really interested to see what you guys think. So leave all your feedback and your questions, everything below, and I'll see you soon.